In this video, I'm going to show you how to take off age restriction on Twitter. So once you open your Twitter account, just go ahead and tap on your profile at the upper left. In here, just tap on Settings and Support. And under Settings and Support, tap on Settings and Security. So under Settings and Security, just tap on Privacy and Safety. So in here, select Content You See. And once it's open, it says here that display media that may contain sensitive content. Just toggle that one to enable that one and tap on Search Settings. So under Search Settings, just go ahead and turn off the Hide Sensitive Content so that the age restriction in your Twitter will be disabled. And now you can see the sensitive content in your Twitter account. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.